Shenzhen TouchThink Intelligence Company, Limited was established in 2013, specializing in providing high-quality industrial control products and customized solutions for global customers. Business operations cover the whole process of R&D, production, sales and service. For more than 10 years, TouchThink has always adhered to scientific management and modern management. Our company has an elite service team of 300 people, including more than 90 R&D professionals equipped with rich experience. We insist on developing and improving innovation solution to build core competitiveness, and obtained more than 110 patent certificates. In our 10,000 square meters R&D and production site, equipped with 6 automated production lines and advanced production equipment, which ensure stable production capacity and timely delivery, we always keep the storage center spacious, safe, and clean, with a strict FIFO and circular stocking and preparation management system. And we always keep sufficient inventory to ensure that we can meet customer emergency shipment needs at any time. Our company strictly implements international quality control standards. It has passed many authoritative certifications such as ISO 9001, CE, UL and etc. Adhering to the whole process quality control of raw materials manufacturing finished products, we have gained the good feedbacks from our customers in terms of product inspection. We take our products' quality and services as our top priority and core value to achieve continuous improvement in customer satisfaction. Focus on providing you with after-sales support, personalized product customization and professional technical support services.
Hello, I'm Homer. You're welcome to visit TouchThink team to discuss the long cooperation. Thank you.
How are you, everyone? I'm your partner Yo-Yo. I have been working as a sales manager in TouchThink for the past 7 years. Thank you for your support to me and my factory. I'm really happy to be here, and I'm looking forward to meeting everyone.
Hello, this is Frank from TouchThink, the professional manufacturer of industrial computer and its solution. We are willing to be your partners.
Hey guys, this is Doris from TouchThink. Look forward to be your reliable and valuable partner.
Hello everyone, this is Alvin, overseas sales manager here. Welcome to TouchThink. Come and discover our new product.
Hi everyone, I'm Nana from TouchThink. Don't miss the opportunity to explore our new technology and discover how TouchThink will expand your business.
Hi, this is Judy. Welcome to TouchThink, who will be your best supplier.
Hello everyone, this is Power, one sales engineer from TouchThink. Wish we have more chance to meet you in our factory when you come to China, and we are waiting for you.
Hello, this is Ronnie from TouchThink. We always put quality as our first consideration, striving 100% good quality to our customer. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Gloria, a sales engineer from TouchThink. I'm glad to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in the past years and looking forward to further cooperation with you in the future. Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm Amy from TouchThink. Welcome to visit us and looking forward to have a nice cooperation with you.
Hey there, this is Avery from TouchThink. Quality is our culture. Welcome to our company. I hope you have a good experience. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Katrina from TouchThink. It's our great honor to invite you to our factory. Welcome to us for long cooperation.
Hello everyone, this is Senior from TouchThink. Welcome to visit our factory at any time. Thank you.
Welcome to TouchThink.